Oh Jesus, this wig's big. I can't. I don't know if I'm ratchet enough for this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, which everyone's going to be new here because I barely have any subscribers, but if you are new here, my name is Victoria Marie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a blue wig that I purchased off of Amazon. I'm so scared. I've never worn colored hair, so at least nothing to this extreme. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I'm gonna open the box. I actually purchased this for my Halloween costume, so I mean there's no way that it can really look bad. I mean, I guess it can, but we gonna see in 2 seconds. So 1 second. So I purchased this from Eewigs actually on Amazon. I think it was about $42, which isn't bad. I mean, it is a synthetic wig. It could have been cheaper, but hey. I literally ordered it yesterday. Amazon Prime is, excuse me, here comes my dog. Amazon Prime is literally the best. Okay, there's just like layers to this. Now it is in this little beautiful silk bag. So there is a return. That's the first thing I looked at, was like, can I return this thing if I hate it? You can return it, which is not normal for like beauty products and hair. Oh! I thought it was going to be super blue. I'm not mad at it, actually. So what did it come with? Oh, snap. Came with a thank you card. Came with a wig cap, and it says 2 pieces. It says 2 pieces. Look at that. I've never seen that before. I wish it was a little brown. They could have even gave us like a blue one. They gave us lashes, which no thank you. No thank you, ma'am. All right, this is actually a bomb color. I thought it was going to be a bright blue. Wow. Look at that. And it's long as heck. Oh my god, it's so long. I thought this was going to be a terrible blue color. Oh my god. I'm in love. Now I want to put it on. Okay. I have to take these out. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It actually feels really nice. But I watched a couple reviews. They do say it tangles, which obviously it's synthetic, so it is. But y'all, get your hot breath out of here, please. You have water. Go away. Wow. Oh yes. Okay. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, now, I read someone said, oh, she lied. I was watching another video, and the girl said there was a clip right here, which made absolutely no sense. But I'm looking, and it looks like there is one right here, and then one right here. This, I'll show you the inside of the wig. The lace actually goes all along the front. And then that's just the wig, obviously. Parting space is somewhat just the middle. You can move it over a little bit, but there's not that much room to go. So let's put this on and see. And there's also the straps to tighten it too. Oh, I don't like those little short ends. Oh Jesus, this wig's big. What in tarnation? I can't. I don't know if I'm ratchet enough for this. I love this color though. It's beautiful. 1 second. Now that you got me. Tonight is something all about me. It's all about you. feel like The Little Mermaid meets The Simpsons, and I love it. I'm in love with this. I don't know how to do anything with lace or anything though, so I'm about to F all of it up. I never felt this ratchet in my life, and I'm in love. Oh my God. Look at this. Call me Jessica. Oh, and it moves, girl. It moves. Now, it obviously needs plucked, and the lace needs cut to high heavens, because look at my forehead. I look crazy. Am I keeping this is the question. Do I love... Let me go put on... I'm gonna put on a red dress so I can see what I look like in my costume. Y'all gonna be like, you doing all this for that stupid costume? Yes, I am. Because we about to be the Ratchet Twins, baby. Can you guess what I'm gonna be? With a red shirt and a blue wig? Probably not. You're gonna be like, y'all are stupid. Y'all corny. Guess what? I don't care. I know I'm in love with this wig. Now, I did read that it can be curled or straightened up to... This is not me. This is not me. It can be curled or straightened up to 320 degrees. I'm in love with a blue wig that I am never ever going to wear ever again. But it does have this... It might be because I have that little ponytail. It has this weird little cone head effect going on back here. Let me see. Let me tighten it. Take these earrings off. Because you're doing too much, honey. You're doing too much. Here's the strap. I like this. I can't imagine. I can't even imagine it because this wig cap is killing me. I need a brown wig cap. Ugh. And I need makeup on because, honey. Let me go on the Snapchat camera and see what I look like. Because Snapchat camera is going to tell me, girl, return that. It needs, like, shape, though. My sister can do that. Because I can't shape a thing, baby girl. I can't shape a thing. But this color, I'm just scared. I've never had, like, a lace front wig. Like, I'm going to have to literally glue it down because this thing is slipping. They say that you're me. Tonight is so amazing. Tonight is so amazing. Let me go check the camera. I don't know. Cause I do like it, but like when am I ever gonna wear this again? I'm definitely never wearing it again. Where am I gonna wear a blue wig to? A Simpsons convention? I don't know. This is definitely gorgeous though. Gorgeous. And I mean, this is my first 2 seconds of wearing it. Better not tangle up, but it's not tangling at the ends. I know a couple people were saying, oh, it's tangling as soon as they start brushing it, but mine isn't. Wait, made a liar out of myself. It's not even as bad as it looks on the camera, but it definitely got stuck to that. What am I about to do with this blue hair? Oh my God. Do I want it? Do I want it? Do I want it? Do I need it? I just feel like I need some blue eyebrows or something. Because honey, you about to... I don't know. So I'm back with a new outlook on life and a new outlook on my wig. And y'all, I love it. I'm keeping it so I can cut this lace off and I can play with it. But look, I don't know how long I've had it on. I just called everyone with my new blue wig on FaceTime. And it has shed. Let me see. There's some even still on the brush that I'm obviously not getting out. But it shed this much in the past what was that, maybe half hour I think I've had it on. This color is just gorgeous. So I'm brush it again. Well, let's do fingers. Can't get through, but it's not, because I can't get my hands through and it looks bad, but it doesn't feel bad at all. It doesn't feel tangled and it doesn't look tangled. I am going, my sister's a hairdresser, so I'm gonna have her shape it. She doesn't do wigs at all. She just cuts white people hair all day. So she'll shape it and then I'll have to figure out how to like glue it down and everything because she doesn't know how to do that. But here it is. I didn't cut the lace off or anything yet. This camera, it's weird how it crops so tight. But here we go. Here it goes with, obviously the lace is still on. I have this much to cut. I'm gonna pluck this part back a little bit more, and then I might even pluck this. People said that you can put this in a ponytail. I don't know if it gets that flat. I mean, I can pluck it and make it do that, but I'm not putting it in a ponytail, so don't. Like, wait, why didn't it flip? It doesn't even matter because I'm not doing it in a ponytail. I'm just gonna, I think I'm just gonna do kind of some, because I don't think I'm just keeping it on the side part, and then little wand curls. It's not gonna be anything too serious, but I literally love this wig. I want every color, and I don't even wear color wigs, y'all, at all. Obviously, you heard at the beginning I was terrified to pull this out, but this past half hour I'm just loving it. I'm flipping it around too much. I know I'm being super annoying, but actually, even with me doing that, look, it's not even tangled, y'all. But when I go out for Halloween, it gets crazy, so we'll see how it holds up. I am in love with this. If you were looking at Eewigs, y'all, get it. I don't wear wigs. It looks cute. Now, I saw a couple pictures on the reviews, and I was like, meh. What'd you do to your wig? But it's super cute once you really know how to play with it. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to play with it, and hopefully my sister can come home. Should I play with it right now? I don't want to F it up. But all you have to do is just go like that, I feel like, and it'll be fine. But I don't want to mess it up, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not. But y'all, look at this beauty. And it shows really good. Like, when I went on Snapchat to show them my wig, the wig, the color showed up terrible. It was like a super bright blue, but this right on camera, I feel like this is true to color. Just so you know, because I've seen a couple of videos, and I thought the wig was going to be way brighter than what it was when I opened the box. It's probably even darker. I don't know. I just love it. Okay. Bye, guys.